It's like doesn't take bad at all, and no fluoride added in. The way it is raining, and they charge us for water, so charging us for something that comes from the air free, and you charge us. And for 1 month, our water bill was $300. Probably a little more. I don't know the exact amount, but it was over $300 for 1 month. Okay?